moneytalkshowtv.com.
I got options. I got options, babe. Got a million people watching and they clocking and they jocking. I got options. I got options, player.
moneytalkshowtv.com.
All right, let's look at my EBON, baby. My EBON, $12.50 call, okay? I had a call option for EBON last week. Did wonderful, baby. That thing did me some 700, 500-600%, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Bought it for, 60 cents, sold it for, two of them for, I think, 60 cents, and sold it for, a couple dollars. Yeah. Now you see the price of this when the EBON on Friday's date. You see, the call option was pretty high, almost like $400, $390, $395, $400. And then it went down. It was having a rough day. Okay, it didn't affect too much of my call option, and so say, because I got out somewhere around in here. They kicked me out. I tried to get out here, and then got out somewhere around there. But I called in at the 285 mark, right at the low bit. Right at the low. I should have got it for 275, but I got it for 285. So I'll try to catch it for the 270, somewhere around in there. But that was about the lowest it got. So I did pretty decent for this, getting this call option for EBON for next week if it does well. Now, if you don't know what EBON is, let's look at the EBON, okay? It's eBang Internationals, baby, okay? And right now they are up 4.88% after hours, all right? Got an option call on them. Okay, eBang International Holdings is a blockchain technology company. It engages in the research and development of ASIC chip technology used in blockchain applications in China. The company also manufactures Bitcoin mining machines. eBang International Holdings was founded by Dong Hu in January 2010 and its headquarters in Hangzhou, China, baby. Okay, it is listed. It's the name EBON, okay? So that's what I'm at right now. This is a temporary play. You see, I has call options in there on that one. All right, I've been loving it, hitting it. Let's see if I can hit it again. And that might be being greedy, but I believe since Bitcoin is still rising, it passed the $56,000 mark. I believe EBON continue to go head to the moon, baby. You know what I'm saying? Despite the little fall, the little drawback that it did. And I think that was much needed because that's resistance. So right, and that's the main support. Right, and get that little support, make that new support, and move on up. I believe eBang should hit to the $15 mark next week. I believe it's going to hit $15. That's what I believe. I was gunning for 15 Friday, but it had a little pullback. You know what I'm saying? It was right there with 12. It was close. It was 12 something, 1240, 57 or something, 1240 something was the highest of the day. But I believe it's got plenty of room to run to the 15 mark, baby. Okay, EBON, EBON. Okay, try to eat back one call option. All right, $12.50 call. Right now it's at $11.60 right now, but hopefully pre-market it runs up and runs up during the day, baby. All right, be blessed to invest in yourself with the EBON blockchain. All right.
Okay, look at investors. Okay. You know what little simp told me? You know what I'm saying? Tell me something. I don't believe in you. You don't be showing no the thing that you be doing, you do. I said, what? You can't be talking to an investor player like that, and you can't be talking to an investor player like that, baby girl. I had to take my curls on that, make sure my curls was straight. I don't think Sean knew who I was. There's money wrong here, baby, okay? I ain't got options. I got options, babe. Got a million people watching and they clocking and they talking. I got options. You got options, player. You got options. Okay? Man. I got options. Got a million people watching and they watching and they watching. I got options, player. I got options, player.